Hey guys, we received this Petrifons tabletop water fountain for test and try. So this is how this looks after the assembly, and let me just show how this comes. So this comes in this protective box, and just take this out. This is pretty easy, almost self-installed. So there is nothing much you have to do with this. So the good thing is that there are two connections. One is for the atomizing humidifier, and another one is for the LED light and the water fountain. So here I will just take this out. So there are two switches and two USBs, so that you can see. So these two USBs are for like humidifier and the fountain and light. So let me just put this up, and the supplied plug also have the two USB setup, so you can easily put in these two USBs and then put it in the plug. So very nice design, and now you can see like it's nice stone look fountain, and very nice built with a nice design, artificial tree on the side, and the holes for the humidifier. So this is how this comes, and you see like the fumes, the humidifier fumes. You can also increase or decrease those fumes, and see the bright lights. So this really give a really nice cool effect, and then you can also adjust the plus and the minus from the other from the pump side. But just to show in the video, I am showing you with the less humidification, but you can still see the humidifier effect, like the fumes coming here, so that you can easily see. And from the pump on the bottom side, there is a plus and minus hook that you can easily do increase or decrease. So now from this side you can see like the light, and the water is really nice coming flow, and the lights also looks nice. In the dark it also gives a really nice look, and you can see it here from the light action. Overall, it's a really nice fountain, tabletop fountain for your study or the office table or anywhere you want to use, and with the calm and peaceful noiseless flow and humidifier effect. So hope you like this as well, and this video will help you making a buying decision, that how this looks and feel. Working wise, I don't see any issues, and the looks wise also this is really good and give a premium look with a stone and everything. So hope you like this as well as I do, and I really recommend, if you want a tabletop fountain, then you can try this. It's really nice quality and with the humidifier effect.